In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup in Canva. If you've ever tried to edit just one word, move a single icon, or adjust one image inside a design, only to have everything move together, it can get frustrating fast. Grouped elements are useful when you want to keep a design locked together, but when it's time to make individual changes, you'll need to ungroup them first. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple. To begin, open Canva and go to the project you want to edit. From your home screen, look through your recent designs and open the presentation, document, or graphic you want to work on. This will take you into the main editing view where you can see your design on the canvas and access all of Canva's editing tools. Once your project is open, click on the grouped elements you want to separate. This could be a headline with multiple text boxes, a logo made of several pieces, or a combination of images and graphics. After you click it, Canva will show a single bounding box around the whole selection. That's your sign that the items are currently grouped together. Now look toward the toolbar that appears above the canvas. When the group is selected, you should see an option labeled Ungroup. Click that once, and Canva will immediately separate the elements so they can be edited individually. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and G on Windows or Command, Shift, and G on Mac. This is a quick way to save time if you work in Canva often. There's also another way to do the same thing. With the grouped elements selected, right-click on them to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Ungroup. This is especially helpful if you find it easier to work from the mouse menu instead of the top toolbar. After ungrouping, click on an empty area of the canvas to clear the selection, then click on just one item from the group. At this point, you can move it, resize it, recolor it, or edit it without affecting the other elements. This is a good habit because it helps prevent accidentally dragging multiple pieces at once. Before you finish, take a moment to check that everything still looks aligned the way you want. Canva's guides can help you keep things neat and balanced. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if that's the format you want, and click Download to save your updated design. And that's it. That is how to ungroup in Canva quickly.